All right. This is part 2 of our 93-94 box of Fleer Jam Session. Picking right up where we left off after part number 1. What we got so far. The good stuff. Let's keep it moving. Scotty Brooks. Got that sweet fluff. Look at that. Oh, and another Slam Dunk Heroes. Nice. Love the color theme on the back of this one as well. Got my 2 Hornets. Already got LJ. And Muggsy right behind. Got BJ Armstrong hiding on the back here. Let's get these guys separated. All right. Nice. It'd be sweet to get that whole set in this box. There we go. All right, all 5'3" of Muggsy fits on this card just fine. Bimbo Coles. Victor Alexander. Kenny Smith. Kenny Anderson, not Kenny Smith. Ronnie Cycli. Greg Anthony. Anthony Avent. Bowie. Dale. And Scott on the back. Alright. Nice stack of base here. Dude. Opening an old box with 36 packs just seems insane. Oh, nice. Another Dunk Heroes. Definitely my favorite insert set out of this product. I'm going to keep moving my box to make room. Opening a box with 36 packs just seems crazy. Definitely makes you feel a little bit better about spending the money on it, though, when you get that much quantity, but you get a lot of duplicates and a lot of base in the old stuff. But boxes these days, you're lucky to get 24 packs, if that. Another Leitner. Nance. Ricky Pierce. Eddie Johnson. Baby Jordan. Harold Miner. He was hot for a minute. And only a minute. He's a fun novelty player from the early 90s, though. Cards aren't worth nothing, but he's kind of like a fun random PC guy. If you didn't follow basketball in the early 90s, or if you weren't alive yet, or were too young, or weren't into cards, he meant nothing. But it was fun to watch him in the dunk contest, and I think he had a okay rookie season. Don't really remember how much he played. Timmy. This is another guy I used to PC back in the day. Love Tim Hardaway. He's had his good and bad moments in the spotlight, but he was a great player. Reggie said he'd like to go punch Michael in the face, even today. He could play, though. Oh, and there's my man. There he is. This is one of the few cards I already have from this set, but I'll take another. The back, what do we got sticking out? Rodney Rogers. Throwing it down. All right, let's get you situated. No, they're still coming off the back here. I still haven't hit a penny. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. Ask and ye shall receive. So he's wearing a dress, all one color. Nice. We will set you a sea web over there. Fall over. All right. I am running out of room on my stand-up space. I'll have to put you there. Jerome Kersey. Tyrone Corbin. Purvis Elson. Card on the back. AC Green. Come on, I hate doing that. Fingernailing. AC Green. Lloyd Daniels. Bobby Hurley on the back. All right. Probably should have made a rookie stack. Too late now. There he is. For one hot white second, his rookie year, I was actually down with this guy. He just couldn't keep it rolling. That year that Phoenix went to the finals against Jordan and the Bulls, he actually got quite a bit of playtime. Oliver Miller. Sean Elliott, Doug Edwards, Derek Harper. Derek Harper's still with the Mavericks. He went to the Knicks shortly thereafter, I believe. Or went from the Knicks to the Mavericks. I think he was at the Mavericks first. Danny Ferry on the back. Come on, Danny. Yeah, Dallas. He went to the Knicks probably the next season. Bill Cartwright. Del Curry. D. Brown. Dunk contest legend. He, along with Baby Jordan, probably also for the same reason. Good showing of the dunk contest. Derek Coleman. Oh, and this guy again. When you're in there hunting for C-Web and Penny, this guy just haunts you. He's at every corner, lurking in every pack. Bumped the camera. Sorry about that. All right. Sean Bradley. First round. Tony Campbell. Well, in spite of the way that the packs look on the outside, other than the typical sticking, no apparent damage. There he is. Leitner himself. Another number 2 pick that haunts you when you're looking for, or was he 3? Second year. Can't remember if Zoe was ahead of him or behind him, if Zoe was second and he was third. Don't remember. Coy Brunt, Scott Burrell. Again. Come on. Oh, C-Web hiding in there again. Nice. And Ala Abdelnabi, I can't do it. Ala Abdelnabi. Come on. It's probably OCD, but I have to pronounce the names. Got to. Benjamin. Bullard. It's like a challenge when I find a crazy name. Nothing beats Sarunas Marcellianus. I don't know. Then Baker. Dylan Campbell. And Vern Fleming. 10 minutes in, part 1 video. I pulled at 15 minutes, so we will do the same for this one. Keep going. Oh, Rodney, getting it. Looking so hard, he's feeling it. Wingate. Campbell. You definitely start to see coalition patterns in these for sure. Same cluster of players in different packs. You don't see that with MJ, though. He's only hiding in there. Hiding in there all by himself. Never a victim to the coalition monster like all the other guys. But you get 4 and 5 of each. He's in there once, if you're lucky. Ori, Big Shot Bob. That's cool, Vern. We'll put you in the star pile, buddy. Doug West. Keep it moving. Pile's getting real nice and big. Oh, Scotty. Like it. Game Breaker. I think Jordan's got one in the Game Breaker insert set as well. See if we can get lucky and pull anything other than the base. Sorry, Jimmy. Jim Jackson. Here's another pretty good pull his rookie year. It's popular for a while. Stacey King. Hersey Hawkins. Ricky Fox. Back card wants to come out. James Edwards. Trying to be quick about this and not rip the cards in half. Byron Houston. John Sally on the Heat. Remembering him on every team but the Heat. Greg Graham. The Slam. Patrick Ewing. Nice. The only Nick I respect. Come on. Come on. Todd Day on the back. Getting to get wrecked. Sorry, buddy. All right. A couple more packs in here. The box is just barely looking half empty. Dominique. Game Breakers. Nice. Haven't had the front cards quite as out of place as the first few packs. May have just been that top couple of rows. Moving on them. Lloyd Daniels. Jeez, those are sticky. Oh, Penny. Nice. Hurley. And Lloyd. Do it, Lloyd. Man. All right. Come on. There you go. All right, so that's 2 C-Webs base and 2 Penny base. That is a brick right there. There it is. I don't know if that helped. There we go. Hate pulling in one spot. Hate it. They come off nicely if you can get them separated. Stanley Roberts, John Koncak, Luke Longley with Shaq in the background, Mark Price, Scotty Williams. There he is. Love me some Grandmama. Right there, Glenn Rice. All right, let's squeeze one more in here. We're going to go over 15. We'll stop it and get to part 3. Del Threet on the back. Another Rodney Rogers. Oh, Lord. Man, I hate that. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, we'll put that there. Jamal. Gerald. Trying to remember what the sorting looked like. The pack I got Jordan in. That's Pippen. It didn't have a Pippen in it, I can tell you that much. There's O on the back. Let's separate with care. Come on. Come on. Sweet dog it. Oh, these are perfectly stuck together. There's no... there we go. Ever so slightly. There we go. Nice and easy. All right. The Chief. Robert Parrish. Billy Owens. With Ramil Robinson on the back. Tim Perry giving it to Rick. Giving it to him. Doc Rivers. Getting up. Still Threet on the back. Lee Mayberry. All right. All right, guys. Catch you on part 3.